Hi, this is EURUSD and today it's Sunday, 4th of May 2014 before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video presentation for forexid Academy members, and I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. We saw that since our last signal where we gave a long entry, a buy signal for the price level of 1.3838, the price with a lot of fluctuations moved upwards, and definitely things look bullish. Let's go and get a bigger picture on the daily time frame. We see on the daily time frame that Bollinger Bands are in a bottleneck shape and they are in a contraction, and we expect an expansion which should be upwards as stochastics confirm. The bear had made a plunge down here, marginally touching the upper border of the Kumo, and it went up, exceeded marginally again the upper Bollinger Band on the daily, and after balancing at the level of medium Bollinger Band for a while, it now wants to continue going upward. So let's see the picture on the weekly. Everything bullish here and stochastics confirm it. And on the monthly, the price is going to make its effort to make a bullish Kumo breakout on the monthly time frame. We see a flat top, belly down, leading horizontal Kumo, and we expect a strong breakout, as I have told you before, of this symmetrical triangle we can see here. I will insert the lines to show this again to you. So here is our symmetrical triangle, and the price, let me insert also the height of the triangle, which is the distance, this pips distance from 1.5949 to 1.1838. This distance is as much as the length of the move upwards, since we are going to have a breakout, a bullish breakout here of the upper trend line. Then the price will go upwards as many pips as this height here of the triangle. Okay, so everything looks like we are about to see a very strong bullish breakout of the upper trend line of this symmetrical triangle. So I am deleting all this now, and we'll go back not to weekly, not to daily, but to H4. Let's see again if the conditions are met for us to use our 4 time frame Ichimoku strategy. So we had a fresh and strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4, but on H1 we don't have the bullish Kumo breakout yet validated by Chiku span, so we have to wait a while, and then we want to see everything bullish on M30, which hasn't happened yet because of this deep plunge here, and then we have to wait for a correction on the M15 time frame, and we can enter after the correction has happened and has finished. I get the question how deep the correction should be on the M15 time frame. The deeper the better. You don't want to see a shallow correction like this one here. You expect, in this case, use Fibonacci on the M15 time frame, which is the smallest, the fourth of all, and expect to see a correction at least down to 50, or even better to 61.8 Fibonacci level before price goes up and makes a bullish price and consent cross on M15, which will give you the signal to enter. Okay. If this doesn't happen, don't enter. Now, if you are a bit mindless and aggressive, which is extremely risky, and we are talking about your money here, you can take things from, let's go to the daily. We had the bullish price and consent cross on daily, a bullish Kumo breakout on H4. Things look quite bullish on H1, and we had this extremely deep correction on M30. Therefore, we should have entered somewhere here already, and so we can take the the green light from this setup using daily time frame as the biggest of the four, and we can enter long, we can buy. I will insert the horizontal line, but I told you that if you go with the smaller time frames, H4, H1, M30 and 15, you should wait. Okay. We can enter now long at 1.3872 price level. Okay. We will insert our stop loss. We will put our stop loss. Ideally, theoretically, it should be 150 pips below your entry, but you can be more conservative depending on your account's your account size and your risk management rules. Let me insert here the text. So we put our stop loss at 1.3722. 1.3722, which cannot be seen here on the chart. It is far below, but I just put it here just for as a reference. And let me insert also here the text about the level where we are buying. $1.3872. Okay. Now, once you start having profits on the H4 time frame, which means that once you have a whole candlestick on the H4 time frame going above your entry point, switch to M15 and start using the price 10% cross rule to exit and re-enter. Since the main trend is upward, you only want to take long trades. You only want to buy. So once you are profiting and you see something like this happening, a bearish price 10% cross on M15, exit, when one bearish candlestick closes below Tenkan-sen, the red line, exit, bag your profits, wait for the correction to finish, and when you see the opposite, like here, a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M15, followed by another bullish candlestick, enter again long, buy, and continue riding the trend. Okay, this way you avoid the deep corrections, you avoid the plunges, and you maximize your profits riding the trend. Thanks for watching and happy pips.